Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the remaining questions of exercise 11.4. So here we start with question number 9. The adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn. The dimensions of the rectangular lawn are mentioned in the figure, having a circular flower bed in the middle. This is a circular flower bed of radius 2 meters in the middle of this lawn. Let us find out these mentioned things. So first one is the area of the whole land, and area of lawn, since it is represented by a rectangle, it is length into breadth. Length is 10 meters and the breadth is 5 meters. So it is 50 meter square. Second is area of flower bed. Now flower bed is in the form of a circle. Since it is circular, its area is pi r square. And since we are not given any value of pi in the question, so we will use 22 by 7 into 2 into 2. So it is 488 upon 7 meter square. Since this is an improper fraction, let us convert this into mixed one, or you can convert this into decimals also. So let us take it approximately equal to 12.57 meter square. Now the third part is area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. So area of lawn excluding the area of flower bed, the total area was 50, and let us exclude this flower bed. So that means we have to subtract. So it is 37.43 meters square. Fourth part is circumference of the flower bed. So let us find out circumference of flower bed, and it's a circular part, so its circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r means 2 meters. So it is again 88 upon 7 meters. So it is 12.57 meters. Question number 10 is, in these given figures we have to find out the area of shaded portion. Now if you see the figure, in this shaded portion, it is not of any particular shape. Now since we don't know how to calculate its area, if from the area of this whole rectangle, if I subtract the areas of these two triangles, if I cut down these two areas, then I am left with the area of the shaded portion only. So we will calculate the area of whole rectangle, then we will calculate the area of these two triangles, add them and subtract from the whole rectangle to get the area of this shaded portion. So let us find out area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 18 centimeter, breadth is 6 plus 4, 10 centimeter, or you can see breadth from here, 10 centimeter. So it is 180 centimeter square. Now let us calculate area of triangle 1. What is the formula for calculating area of triangle? It is half into base into height. Now since this is a rectangle, so these two triangles which are formed here in this figure, both of them are right angled triangles. So for this, one side will act as base and the other will act as height. So it will be half into 10 into 8. So area of this is 40 centimeter square. Area of triangle 2. Again the formula is the same. This is also a right angled triangle. So one side will act as base and the other side will act as altitude. You can interchange this. This is not going to make any difference. So it is 10 into 6. So it comes out to be 30 centimeter square. So since I have to find out area of shaded portion, so it is equal to area of triangle 1, area of rectangle minus area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2. Now area of rectangle is 180 centimeter square minus area of triangle 1 plus triangle 2 is 70 centimeter square. So if I subtract it, I'll get 110 centimeter square. So this is our final answer. Again in second part, we have to find the area of this shaded portion. Though this is a triangle, but we are not given any dimension of it. So what we are going to do, these three right angle triangles are there and we will find out the area of these three right angled triangles and we will subtract it from the square, area of square from this. So let us find out first area of whole square, side into side, and the side is 20 centimeter. So it is 20 into 20 equal to 400 centimeter square. Now area of triangle 1. 1 is a right angled triangle. Half into base into height. One side will be taken as base and the other side will be taken as height. So it is 50 centimeter square. Area of triangle 2. Again half into base into height. Here the sides are, one is 10 and the other is 20. If I write 20 here, 10 here, then also it's not going to make any difference. So it is 100 centimeter square. And area of triangle 3 is equal to, again half into base into height. Now let us see, if this is 20, this is also 20. And if this is 10, this whole is 20, then that means this is 10. So it is half into 20 into 10. Again it is 100 centimeter square. Now area of three triangles. 100 plus 100 plus 50 is equal to 250 centimeter square. Now let us find out area of shaded portion. It is equal to area of square minus area of three triangles. So area of square we have calculated to be 400 centimeter square minus area of three triangles is 250 centimeter square. So it is 150 centimeter square is the area of this shaded portion. Question number 11. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Here AC is 22 centimeter, BM is 3 centimeter and DN is also 3 centimeter. Now BM is perpendicular to AC and DN is perpendicular to AC. Now how we are going to find out the area of quadrilateral ABCD? First I am finding out the area of this triangle. If I want to find out area of this triangle, now what is area of triangle ABC? The formula is half into base into height. Now how much is the base? Base is AC and how much is the height? Height is BM. Both these things we know. AC is 22 and DM is 3. So it is 33 centimeter square. Now I am finding out the area of this triangle. What's the name of this triangle? Area of triangle ADC. Again it is half into base into height. So it is half. Now if I take this as base, then this is the height of the triangle. So half into AC into DN. Again we know both these things. AC and DN, both measurements we know. So it is half into AC is 22 and DN is again 3. So it is again 33 centimeter square. Now what is area of quadrilateral ABCD? It is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So it is 33 centimeter square plus 33 centimeter square. So it is 66 centimeter square is the area of this whole quadrilateral ABCD.